Hi everybody, today we're going to talk real briefly about the Unit 4 project. Remember, this project is on disorders of the skeletal system and you're going to be making a poster. When I click on this, you can see that we get to the project page. Right here you've got instructions, I'll show you those in a minute. Right here you're going to figure out what your assigned project is going to be on. Maybe it's on a particular type of fracture, or maybe it's on osteomyelitis dissecans, something like that. You'll find that in this area right here. And then right down here, you've got a rubric. You're going to see similarities between the instructions and the rubric, and I'll get to that in just a minute. When you click on the poster instructions, you learn that, first of all, you are making a poster. In the past, we've made things like PowerPoint presentations or trifold pamphlets. This one happens to be a poster. You're going to use a poster generating website called Canva. Okay, you can see that it's at canva.com. Okay, pretty user-friendly, making the posters through canva.com. You can figure out how to do that by following these instructions right here. Here's some things that you're going to include in your poster. First of all, you need to think of this like it's a most wanted poster, like an FBI most wanted list or something like that. So you're going to see some mugshots are going to be in here, the perpetrator, like who or what is responsible for this particular type of problem with the skeletal system, where this occurs, a description of the problem with the skeletal system, a description of how the disorder would be diagnosed by a doctor, a description of how it's going to be treated. We're calling that sentencing. Again, make it colorful, just like always. Use proper grammar and spelling. You're ultimately going to make a PDF file. And note that the project is going to be due on Sunday, December 6th. Okay, so this is the instructions for making the poster. If you take a look here at the rubric, I find this really useful. Mr. Harper set these up as I have statements, and you're going to see, the two mugshots, the crime that's committed, all that stuff that we already talked about right back over here. It appears as first person I have statements. So mugshot, I have included a picture of the abnormality in the human body caused by the disorder. Check yourself off when you've done that. Okay, that's 5 points. Okay, you need a second picture. That's another 5 points right there. So make sure that you're going through and taking a look at the rubric. And then again, if you were to go back here and click on your class period between Mr. Harper and myself, you would find a list like this. This happens to be my 5th period class right here. So you would see that students might have like spiral fractures or compound fractures or osteomyelitis or scoliosis or something like that. That's their assigned project. So what you're going to need to do in a minute for the Edpuzzle question is to find your class period in your particular assigned disorder of the skeletal system. Okay. All right, thanks a lot. Send us a message through inbox if you guys have any questions. Have a good day, guys.